tree trader, charts lit, wrist tight, inside bars only. Let's work.
I'm trading in the pies, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah, they fund the dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk of fine, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah, we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Wake up pre-market, NY session on. Levels from the overnight, buyers ready drawn. Inside bar forming, volume going quiet. That's the market talking, telling me be patient. AQ moving fast, ES play it smooth. YM respect the highs, let the candle choose. Prop firm rules, yeah we play it right. One trade a day, still we done by noon. No gambling, this chestnut dice. RR clean, that's the pine tree life. They chasing candles, I'm chilling in the zone, waiting on the break, then I'm gone. I'm trading in the pies, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah they fund the dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk to find, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Yeah, funded to live, that's a different feel. Trade they take profit, apex on a deal. Evaluation passed, now it's payout talk. While they blowing accounts, we taking walks. Inside bar at key high, that's pressure building. Yeah, break off the range, yeah that's conviction. Yeah, no indicators clutter in my sight. Just price action, structure candlelight. Chat yelling long, I mute that noise. Market don't care about opinions, boy. One clean setup, that's all I need. Small losses, big wins, consistency. Slow grind, fast life. Charts don't lie, cut losses quick, let winners ride. Funded accounts, yeah that's the plan. Sidebar break, executed. I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah they fund a dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. Pine tree trader, yeah we build on rules. Price action only, that's the tool. From sin to payout, yeah we stay clean. Inside the pines, that's the thing.
Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? Oh, I can't see the chat. Where's the chat? There we go. What's up? What's up? Madi in the house. Mr. Zone. Mr. One. What's up? Labarto, Tris, Miss K. Let's go. Master. Kega. Trader 007. It's Mo, bro. Get some tunes in up in here. It's Mo, bro, in the house. Trader 007. Bear Trader. What's up, Glenn? Yo, Jim, TJP, Rufio, Fiber Splice, HR, Tony Lanes, Beanstalk, Investars, Ayo Kato. What is up? How was everyone's weekend? You guys doing all right? Happy Easter, everyone. Yes, happy Easter. We're gonna do a probably a race later. Give away another account. Have a Take Profit Trader account I can give away. 50K. Not too shabby. HR, thank you so much. Got 2 more accounts with code PINE. I appreciate you. Sunny days, can't complain. Fire Splice. Yeah, it was sunny for a little while today, and then now it's cloudy. Worked on the shitbox cars. Yeah. John buys land in the house. Yeah, I'm going to give away. I have a 50K Take Profit Trader account I can give away tonight. Russell Singh in the house. Johnny buys land. Yeah, so I suspect tonight's going to be okay, right? As far as trading, I don't know. We had, what was it, non-farm payroll? And then the market was open for, what, 45 minutes? Take a look at this wick here. This is non-farm payroll on the 5-minute chart. So I expect some volatility. You just put this in the Discord here real quick. All right. Who else we got in the chat, guys? You love the weekends. I'm stoked to trade. Yeah, I think I already read that. What's up, Tommy C? Dean Bishop. Ked, what's up? Keegan in the house. Been racing for months. Hopefully tonight is your night. Kato, yeah, it's tough. Usually about 1 out of every, it's, well, 300 people usually in the races now. So probably do a Easter Bunny race. Oil to 150, down to 40K. Masakega, yeah, so much winning. There's too much winning. Did you fix the P and Pine behind you, or is it still falling? It's still falling. It's still crooked. Yeah, it's those stupid stick-on hooks things. Well, I think one is slid off. I got notified on Friday on my Tradeify straight fund accounts that was flagged for hedging due to trade sinker messing up slightly. It was like $12. Am I doomed, or is there a grace period? With Tradeify, I'm not 100% sure right in the tick, but I know like if you have Take Profit Trader, there's no tolerance. So I know. Ask me how I know. I did the same thing. It was for 12 seconds. Not even 12 seconds. It was, sorry. I was reading your $12. It was actually like less than 5 seconds, 6 seconds or something. And I had two pro accounts and ended up losing them both. And they were both over the buffer. Nothing I could do about it because I knew I accidentally hedged. I explained the story where I was getting in and out of micros, and I went to scale in and scale out, and I went to switch an account just like this. So I was on one account and I was scaling out of a micro on a very nice trade, went to switch the other account, and then somehow when I was clicking, because it was going really fast, I actually clicked a mini on the long side when I was short on one account. So I went to click the mini, it filled the position, and then I was like, what the hell happened? You know, I couldn't figure it out. And then, you know, in a split second, I go, oh, damn it, I clicked on the wrong thing. So I hopped out, and yeah, it hedged by mistake. So maybe there's a grace period. I'm not really sure. If your accounts, I mean, you'll know in about 4 minutes if your accounts are still working. Sorry to hear that. That is definitely a thing with copy traders. Now, it doesn't matter what copy trader you use. They can screw up. Quantower has definitely can screw up if the markets are moving really fast, where it doesn't fill all the orders and then ends up, let's just say you have a bracket and let's say you go long and you have a stop order. Well, it'll fill the long, and then it might not fill all the accounts, and then the stop order hits and it triggers a short on some of the other accounts on the sell side. I've had that happen before. Yeah, it's crazy. They're under review. I'd send support a ticket and just say, listen, you know, it's like, I didn't mean to do it. It was an accident. That's probably the best bet, is just say, you know, it's not something like I was trying to do. It was complete accident with the copy trader, and see what they say. So, you want to hear something crazy? This happened to me over the weekend. Guys, do me a favor, smash that like button. We'll try to do a moose, or actually, it's not a moose race today, but we're going to do a little Easter bunny race, I guess, or something like that. But yeah, something crazy happened to me on Thursday. Was it Thursday? No, Friday. Friday afternoon. Friday afternoon, I went to floss my teeth, and my whole crown came right out. I went to floss, and my crown fell right out. So yesterday, Saturday, I was fortunate enough to be able to get into an emergency dentist and was able to have it fixed. But when they tried to fix it, they tried to put the crown back in, and then turns out like I needed a little filling or something to fill it underneath the crown. So yeah, I had to have my teeth drilled. So no fun for the weekend. I feel much better though. And surprisingly, they said it was a 50-50 chance that I might need a root canal. And I might have got a little lucky because it feels pretty decent right now. Feels okay, so I might have got a little lucky. So that's how my weekend went. Jeannie, what's up? Sherry in the house. Digital Nuke, Sean. I sent TraderFi on that non-farm payroll. Didn't know about micro-scalping rules. You should be. It's a percentage of micro-scalping, Keegan. So you should be okay as long as not all your accounts are micro-scalped. If you have like more than 50% or less than 50%, you should be fine. Lucid actually has micro scalping rules too, but it's definitely, it's not like based on like one trade, so you should be good. Woo, little gap down. Good luck, guys. Little gap down. I am trading these take profit trader accounts. Dentist will never let you go without overcharge. Oh no, trust me. Yeah, little gap down here. Here we go. Oh, you passed, but the account got removed and it didn't actually pass. Maybe it actually did hit the drawdown, but it was so fast that you didn't know. If it's a microscalp, they won't fail you for that. It might have actually hit the drawdown or something. the max drawdown, where like the spread was so wide that it actually hit. I've had that happen. Actually, Keegan, like this is like I'll just put it out there. Like right now, I don't try to pass accounts on news so much anymore. What I'll do is I'll just wait for the New York Open and try to pass accounts quickly on that. What's up, DGen? Because I so many times, Keegan, just like you said, either the platform screws up or it freezes and it ends up blowing the account, and it's almost for no reason. So no, I had 0 drawdown, but the microscoping doesn't add up with the trades. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm not sure. Weird. Here we go, pushing down here. 133 watching, 55. Yeah, I didn't know how many people were actually going to watch tonight, Miss K. So hopefully we start to get some viewers. 150 people starting to pick up. Guys, do me a favor and smash that like button. Go ahead and tweet it out if you're a fan of the show and you would like to help support the channel and you got some socials going. Go ahead and tweet out. I just placed a tweet too. Get some more people in here. Hang out. I know it's Easter. People are spending time with their family. I went and I had an Easter dinner at the casino today. Why not? It was comped. So why not get the free ham dinner? Oil. Let's take a look at oil. Oil is probably taking off. Yeah. Oil taking off. Possible pullback on oil to fill the gap. Ooh, risky. Do I look for this gap fill? I'm in an oil short here. Micros, just the baby micros. Trying to, so I've noticed that oil loves to at least come down and fill the gap. It might happen. This is a little I think play. No real setup. Just messing around with this eval here. Might scale in, scale out a little bit. Oops, I don't want to do that. I don't want the bracket. Stop putting on the bracket. Here we go. All right, so a little short on CL, just on this take profit trader, 50K eval. I want to see if I can see if it fills the gap. What I've noticed is anytime you have a gap up or gap down on oil, even though we might get that continuation to the upside, it loves to at least fill these little gaps. So this is a little I think play. If it starts ripping to the upside, then I'm just gonna manually stop myself out. But see if we get that little push down. Market's open. That's right, futures trader. And we're gonna do a giveaway later if we get enough likes. You can't sleep, little Esh. Can't sleep, yeah. I forget it's different times for some other people. Pretty sure Michelle's pretty cool. Is all right with blackjack, yeah. I had a good weekend. I went to the casino twice just for fun. Actually walked away with some money, so that's good. Gas is $4 near you, John King. Yeah, it just cost me $47 to fill up the little Toyota. The little Toyota car. I was like almost $50. I was like, what? Come on. Dill, what's up? Design's in the house. What is going on? Joom here. Fiber Splices, smash that like button. I'm confused. Keegan says, yeah, I'm confused too. A little strange. That is a little strange. Because you can actually trade the news with Tradeify unless they changed it. Tradeify, you can actually trade the news even on funded accounts. Which, you know, some people say it comes in handy when you're doing those daily payout Tradeify accounts. So took a nice little payout last Thursday, in case you guys missed the show. Took $2,000 out of Lucid, and then made another couple $100, $500 on my funded futures for a daily payout. And I did not take the My Funded Futures payout because I'm going to do it live tomorrow morning on My Funded Futures TV. Figured they'd like that, a little promo for them too, right? I'm a company man. I could be a company man. Happy Easter, JLD. Happy Easter. D in the house. Happy Easter. Happy Easter, everyone. Diesel is so expensive here. Yeah, John. That's the thing. Is like people that are truck drivers, and that's where the cost of goods are gonna go up. You know, it's gas prices, oil prices, fuel prices, whatever. It affects everything. All right, CL still trying to grind higher. I'm already regretting getting in this trade. ES pushing down lower. Short ES. Short ES off the inside bars. Come on, get down there. Give me $200. Come on, give me. All right, $200. Little scalp there, kind of helps my CL position a little bit. Still down. I'm down 229 right now. Up, down 463 with CL just ripping to the upside. I'm gonna try one more time here. Add into that. So that helped me out there. So, but down 250 unrealized at the moment. CL looks like it does not want to come back and fill that gap. Not yet, anyways. Like trying to make a new session high. See if ES is still pushing down. Yeah, ES still pushing down here. If CL starts to pull back at all, then the ES and NASDAQ will start to go up, I would imagine. Oof, man, I'm getting smoked. All right. Buckle on down here. See, taking a little heat on CL. Down $400. Unrealized at the moment. Little inside bar long too on the CL 5-minute. CL sit up to 115.49. MCL. Take a look at NASDAQ. Woo. And NASDAQ definitely dropping. Got a big untested wick here from non-farm too. At 24,256. I think tomorrow it's going to be quite volatile tonight and tomorrow, if I had to guess. Thank you, D-Gen. Thank you, John King. Thank you, guys. Time for the old straight jacket for old Trump. Yeah, I mean, who knows design? It's yeah, I know. Every time I hear that, yo, Jim, MFU, I always think the same thing. FU, right? All right, we're getting a little pullback here on oil. Come on, do it. I might hop out and just take my loss. Big rejection there on NASDAQ off the Vinay fair value gap. ES looking like it wants to continue to push down. Ooh, look at righty. Look at RTY, the Russell. Take a look at YM. Yeah, big gap down on YM as well. Got to be careful here. The OCL. Currently down 180 bucks. Perfectly fine. Taking a look at ES, NQ. Bounce here at 23,981. CL is also looking strong. All right, there's a little pullback here. Not the best trade right here. Don't love it. I'm gonna take off a little risk, I think. Okay, I'm taking off a little risk. Just taking off 1 micro. Currently down $69. Still red, underwater. Just trying to manage my way out of this trade. A little dumb, I think, trade did not play out, so now I'm trying to manage it. I'm trying to get out of it with micros without losing too much. Yeah, I think play is that we go down and actually fill the CL gap. Joyce in the house, Zabak, what is up? Rage GT. When you get out of a trade, what is a Lucid case loot discount about? The Lucid case loot discount about? I have no idea, Sherry. That's the first time I've ever heard that. Lucid case loot discount. Not really sure. Must be something new. Trader Nest, what's up? Let me take a look. Oh, it just gives you the discount in the next purchase from Lucid. Oh, okay. Yeah, currently, yeah, everything's 40% off. So 5 uses for Lucid if you use code Pine. Appreciate that. 40% off Lucids. Apex, Bulenox, all that. Still got their deals going on. Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Trade Day, Pine with a capital P. You guys are trading with Trade Day. Actually, I passed those accounts with Trade Day. I got to get those activated. That reminds me. All right, let's get this push down here. Come on. Little harami here on the 5-minute. I think it was 2 weeks of expiration date. Oh, okay. It popped up when you logged into Lucid just now. Initialize dopamine delivery. Okay. Oh, weird. Oh, those. You know what they're doing? You know what they're doing, Sherry? They're throwing in the default code, so that they're throwing in the default code, so that gives you automatically applies to your. So when you buy an account with Lucid, guys, it's gonna automatically throw in the default code. So appreciate it if you just erase that, put in code Pine. Yeah, it's weird. Labarto, what's up? Coach Fred, you had me get a mini PC last week running Top Step X, Quant Tower, and Ninja Trade all at the same time smoothly. Yeah, they work pretty good, don't it, Coach Fred? These mini PCs, pretty awesome. Thank you, Sherry. Yeah, it's like automatically. All right, I might have to get out of the CL trade. Down 264 at the moment. Take a look at ES here. Little inside bar. Nice little inside bar long there off that. Hesitating here up at the highs. Gotta take it light. Take it light though. 500 daily loss limit and only 1,000 drawdown. So micro it is. Yeah, for sure. Pot pass 25. Oh, sorry. 25k daily select. I believe the buffer is 1,100. Yeah. 25Ks, they go quick. I mean, I have 2 Lucids accounts that I just took the payouts on 25K accounts. And I don't have much drawdown left. There's only $600 left in drawdown. So definitely something that I need to pay attention to. One good trade, get more drawdown, but man, it can go south real quick and those accounts can be cooked. 25Ks are tough to build up without. So the key with 25Ks, if you want to try to keep the accounts longer, is obviously try to build up a bigger buffer before you actually take the payout. But for some reason, for me personally, it's like as soon as I get to a payout, I want to take it. So. All right, underwater on this trade, down 200. Made 200 on an ES scalp, and then I've been battling the CL. It wants to go higher. I keep thinking that it might push down and fill this little gap, but not right now. I definitely got caught off sides on this one. Oh yeah, I gotta put in the giveaway thing. Sorry. I haven't done that yet. There, now you guys can put an exclamation point, Pine. That'll get you in the drawing. Must be present in a win. We'll do it towards the end of the stream. Come on, get that push down. Come on, go. What's ES doing? Let's take a look at NASDAQ. Yeah, NASDAQ's pushing up, but CL not curling over yet. Would love to see a little pump on NASDAQ, drop on the oil for my position. It's got a big, I don't even know what this is. Just consolidating here after the gap up. Sorry, I was talking to someone. All right, come on. All right, this trade is just driving me nuts. Now I'm stuck in it. Stuck short. It's not doing anything. How you guys doing tonight? You guys doing all right? What's good? Sinister Scalper in the house. Yeah, I had a pretty good weekend. I mean, all considered. I had to go to the emergency dentist, but I feel pretty good today. Ended up losing a crown while I was flossing. Come on. Ah, terrible. NASDAQ's moving his way up. NASDAQ's moving his way up. Oil doesn't care, though. No kings equals no crowns. That's right. Oil's stuck. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm stuck in it. Stuck in a losing trade, too. Come on, get down there. Yeah, oil is just frozen in time at the moment, consolidating out here at 115. Not doing anything at the moment. Bottom of the hour here, maybe we get a little something. NASDAQ, so started out pretty good price action overall. And right now, oil, I thought was going to push back down into that open gap. Right now, it's just stuck here at 115. And NASDAQ and ES is slowly creeping back up into the gap. So oil is settled right here. So hopefully, I just want to get out of this trade. If I can get out, break even, I'll be happy. If I come back down to 114.10, I'm gonna scale out. But I gotta get down below that VWAP. The VWAP. All right, getting a little pullback here. Finally. Sherry MNQ. I took a long off 2 minis inside bar. Oh, let's go. Nice trade. Yeah, right now the long is working pretty good on the MNQ. Silver, CL trying to roll over. All right, testing this VWAP here, pushing back down, 114.68. This trade is taking a lot of brain power out of me. NASDAQ pulling back now. Testing that VWAP. 24,040 on the NASDAQ. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you guys would like to join the giveaway. 140 likes. Smash that like button, guys. Try to get up to 250 if we can get there. A couple hundred people watching, so we'll end up doing the giveaway in about 1 hour if we can get those likes. Which prop firm today, Mr. One? Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader. 50K Take Profit Trader account. One of the best accounts on the prop streets, in my opinion. One of the best accounts. Methodical Man in the house. What is up, Methodical? Happy Easter, buddy. Hope you and your family are doing well. Must have been a lot of Easter eggs around your house. You need that account? Don't we all? For sure. That's one thing. One thing about when I hear Take Profit Trader giveaways, I'm entering all those myself. That's for sure. I want some. I always could use Take Profit Trader accounts. 44 the Punisher in the house. Husk is sitting on your lap right now, helping you trade. Oh, let's go. Oh, we got Husk in the house. What's up, Husk? Sitting on a tuna can. Yeah. Coop. Short CL right now. Not looking good. I'm just trying to see if it will end up rolling over, but been stuck in this trade since the open, looking for it to fill the gap. Don't know if it's going to do it now. Gold going sideways. Gold very choppy right now on the 5-minute. ES, everything's just kind of going sideways now. Took my money and now it's gone sideways. All right, 114.51. All right, there's a little push down here. Taking one off there. All right. This is looking a little. I'm starting to manage it a little bit now. Took one off there. Currently unrealized right now, down $46. Power micros. There we go. Come on, drop. Let's drop it down. Drop it like it's hot. Get down there. Currently in 3 micros MCL at the moment. Love that first inside bar short on ES, 2-minute. That paid very well. And unfortunately, CL has eaten away all my profit. I did much better at the casino this weekend so far. Much better. See this back? You think we go back to 113s? Yeah, I think so too. Just gotta be a little patient. I think we go and at least eventually. I'm pretty sure we'll fill this gap. I just don't know when. I just noticed from observation the last few times that oil has gapped up or down, that it filled it pretty quickly. Right now it's starting to rush, starting to roll over here. Just passed your eval on NQ. Let's go. Congratulations. The old entry is a support trick. Yeah. How does this giveaway work? I'm new. I saw it many times in my Funny Future stream. Maker. Yeah, welcome. All you got to do is type in exclamation point Pine in the chat. And we will, and I'll do a race. It's random race. Do an Easter themed race, I guess. And I'll do that in, well, probably 45 minutes or so, an hour. Usually about 7:45 is when I do my giveaways. So at the end towards the end of the stream. Back up. Soul CL. Lost all my bets on the Keeneland races yesterday. Funniest thing is my dad was in the casinos in Vegas. I saw me on the rail behind the TV coverage for the announcers. Oh, let's go, Pon. How does it work? It's a secret key. I don't know how this Lucid case thing works, Jonathan, but yeah, I'm not really sure. I mean, I hope everyone gets their discounts and everything, but I'm a little ticked off right now because it puts in the default code on Lucid, and right now, like, I'm trying to put in miss code and it won't even let me change it. Like, I was just trying it and it won't even let me change it. So I have no idea how this whole thing works. I mean, if people can get free accounts and everything like that, I'm definitely all for it. I just don't like the fact that they're making you use the default code, which is, it says, or use your favorite affiliate coupon code, but then you try to buy an account and it doesn't apply. So like I put in C code MM, you know, miss, go to apply it and nothing happens. So don't like that. Used miscodes about an hour ago, Sovereignty. Well, someone banned Sovereignty. First of all, someone banned Sovereignty. Only I'm allowed to use miscode. You can't hang out on this stream and use miscode. You have to use code PINE. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just joking. Yeah, I don't know. It's not work. I don't know. It's something weird. Ban him. Get him out of here. Kind of weird. Nah. The nice thing is a lot like us affiliates that are cool with each other. The one thing I like about it is that we all help support each other. There's plenty to go around. We love it. Finally won once. Oh, let's go. OG Mike. Yeah, I'm just stuck in this trade. I just want to get out of it because I'm bored with it, but NASDAQ's not really moving at the moment. So we'll just see what happens here. I do just have a hunch that maybe we push down and try to attempt to fill that gap, but at this point, it's just a coin flip. I'm on the Lucid Discord right now, just looking to see like how this works, but I guess it works like word on the street, you increase your manhood sovereignty by 5%. Hey, that's not bad, right? That's a nice little supplement. I like creatine for that. What's wrong with oil, Lil? It's just stock. It's just consolidating after a big move. Creatine works for me. .15 an inch. Yeah, that's right. It all counts for something. I received a 45% off box. Oh, okay, so that's how it works. It's like, yeah, supposedly you can still, it says you can still use your favorite affiliate code. So it says you can still use your favorite affiliate code, which is good. But I don't know how it works. So maybe you actually get a little bit more. I think it works like the video game, right? The cases. So like if you're playing Call of Duty or CSGO or whatever, and you start opening those cases, you never know. It's like a prize. I use code COCAN for dysfunctions. What do I take creatine for? I like it. It's like it acts like a nootropic for me. Helps my brain. I don't know why. But yeah, I usually can think much clearer when I take it. I definitely notice it when I don't take it, and sometimes, so I build up with the old creatine sometimes, and it makes me have to pee a lot, so I have to wean off it, and then I start another cycle. So I'll do another cycle. I cycle through it. Doc D in the house. News gold. Oh, gold's moving now. Oh yeah, wow. Yeah, maybe a little headline, or just broke out of this little. I don't know. Yeah, possibly. Actually, yeah, that's quite the move. 35 points, actually. Ooh, oh yeah, gold's moving. What's gold up to? Oil's not doing anything. Gold all of a sudden's got some life to it. Yeah, these are big candles. $40-point candle right there. Almost 50 points. All right, oil back down here. Gold. A little something happening with gold right now. If I cross the scaling threshold, lucid and bring back onto the threshold, I do trade the level 2 contracts, or am I back on level 1? Across the scale. Oh, Brian, I'm not really sure. Yeah, gold's moving here. I'm stuck in the CL trade. I might... Yeah, gold went right back up here. But yeah, just big drop down here. Almost 30-something points, and then popped right back up. Notes word crush, just curious, Brian. Oh, yeah, I'm not really sure. I think it's whatever, at the end of the day, whatever you close at. That's what I think it is, Brian. So whatever you close at. Gold looking pretty If you ask me, Gavin Boy, yeah, something's up. Must have been some sort of headline. Hey, Chris Knopf in the house. Happy Easter. Yeah, thank you guys for hanging out here. I know it's Easter night or whatever. You guys, those that celebrate or hanging out, you know, thank you for hanging out here. Appreciate that. I know you guys could be some other places. Probably should be at some other places, including myself, but it's okay. We'll hang out. Trying to make a little money, but we're currently down $10. Was up nice $200 on that first ES trade, but then it got really beat up on the CL short. All right, come on, roll over here. Adam Daz in the house. What's up, man? John G. Lee Coates in the house. There we go. All right, I'm taking off one here. Taking off another one. Finally, move. Down to 2 micros. What is today's giveaway? We are giving away a Take Profit Trader 50K. Gold's going crazy, Crypto King. I know. $50K, Take Profit Trader. Gold's going nuts. Let's take a look at gold here. Nice. Finally working out here on the oil. The gold, yeah, gold very volatile, people. Be careful. Not financial advice. Just remember, 5 points on gold is $500. 10 points is $1,000 with one mini. Can wreck your account pretty quickly. And we are chopping on the VWAP after this little wick up and wick down. Yeah, stay tuned this week. Sadex, we'll be giving away some more accounts possibly. Once, especially when we get to 7,000 subs. Almost to that 7K. Let's take a look at that right now. Kind of curious. Where are we at? Wow, 6,987 subs. Check that out. 359 in the last 28 days. Thank you so much. Still growing. Still growing. We'll take it. Got to do my homework here. Say what's up to the people. Okay, that's enough. All right, nice little trade here on oil. Finally. Is it going to push down and fill that gap? Now we're starting to see that a nice little move here. So right now, I got in pretty good heat trading micros with oil. Same thing with the metals, silver and gold. 2 micros is really all you need to make some good coinage. Thanks for streaming. Oh, appreciate you guys being here. I mean, these are rookie numbers in the racket. Pretty soon you'll be stroking, thinking about, oh no. No. None of that. But they are rookie numbers, right? Pretty awesome though. Been streaming a little more than a year and a half, I guess. Year and a half. So growing quite steadily. Right around 15 to 20 people a day has been. It actually dropped a little bit last month. And I think it picked up. Started to pick back up. So on our way to that 10,000. Probably by the end of the year. Things go okay. How can we use these points? Oh, those points are just for fun. You mean the stream points? But to enter the giveaway, all I gotta do is put an exclamation point pine. You only have one. You only can do one entry, so. Did Pine send you affiliate loot crates? Or is that still to come? I don't know. Let me check my email. I don't know anything about... No, I'm not seeing anything. Affiliate loot crates. No, I'm not seeing anything. Let me check my dashboard. I don't even know what this loot crate stuff is, and they didn't even post anything in the. They didn't post anything in the affiliate. There's a special affiliate Lucid Discord, and I don't see anything in there. But actually, I might actually. Yeah, I'm not seeing any affiliate loot crates. Yeah, I'm not sure. All right, CL pushing down here. Do we fill the gap? AJ said that in a Discord town hall. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. If I get any Lucid accounts to give away, I definitely will get, I give all my accounts away, so. But right now, I'm not seeing anything. Tonight, we're giving away a Take Profit Trader 50K account. Johnny Myers Land, yeah. Get, yeah, cost. Yeah, so you can still use code PINE if you buy an account. According to what I see, you can still use code PINE. Even though it gives you 45% off, so that's cool. Appreciate that. Come on, CL. Looking for a gap fill? Getting awfully close, so maybe we actually get that pushed down. Time of my live next week. Same time every single night, 5:45 Eastern time. 5:45 Sunday through Thursday, and then 10 a.m. for My Funded Futures TV for 30 minutes. 10 a.m. Eastern time. Every single day this week. Unless something comes up. But will they have to pay the activation fee, Spy? Nah. Did they? No. Don't. No. Myth, you still listening? They still got rid of that, right? If they give away a take profit trader account, you don't have to pay the activation fee. Now, if I use the code myself, then I have to pay the activation fee, because I was confused about that. Keegan says no activation on the free accounts. Okay, thank you guys. Brian says you do have to pay activation on a free TPT. Hey Epic, what's up, man? I just poached someone from Discord. So I was lurking in the Lucid Discord, and I says, hey. Someone said something about affiliates get accounts, and I said, hey. I said I'll give away all my accounts, but tonight Epic, I'm giving away a 50K Take Profit Trader account. If you want to join, it's !Pine in the chat. We'll do a race here in about 45 minutes. Hang out. Right now I'm short CL on these take profit traders. Just got a Lucid payout last Thursday, $2,000. We'll take that. Really, every free account you've won, you had to pay an activation fee, Brian? Oh, that's interesting. Yeah. Oh, thank you, Casa. Yeah, I see that. Yeah, I got 40% off on my case. Here we go. We're going to fill this gap now. Up 300. Let's get that push down. Nice, come on. I think we're going to fill the gap now. Testing the open, 112.85. I'm going to add into this trade. Adding into it. Average entry, 114.24. Take a look at gold here. Gold's going nutty. Gold's right back to VWAP. NQ hanging at the VWAP. Slightly trying to push back up. Maybe NQ and ES will attempt to fill the gap when Tokyo opens here in 45 minutes. So adding here. 113.24, the old CL. Exclamation point pine if you guys want to join. I was doing some just trolling on the Discord because everyone was bad about the boxes, but I'll stop by tomorrow. My family, happy Easter. All right, Epic, I'm here every single night. And My Find the Futures TV every morning, 10 a.m. So appreciate you stopping in. Happy Easter. I love trolling Discords too. I need an alt. I need an alt Discord. I have an alt YouTube channel, a YouTube account that I like to troll on, but all right, let's get that push down here. Talk more about the inside bars, sure. So how I basically trade them is I look for the break. So 2 minutes, ES is something I like to take. This is the trade that I just took today. Is we have the first inside bars here. I look for the break. So as we broke to the downside, I take a short stop. Really should go above those inside bars, and then you can just target whatever you want to target, whether it's a 1R, a few $100, equal high, equal low, or maybe a gap. So like if you took an inside bar along here, maybe look for a gap. NQ 5-minute inside bars are my favorite during New York especially, and 2-minute outside bars I love with NASDAQ. So 2-minute outside bars, I love these. You take a look at this one right here. This was pretty much just the low. Take the long off this 2-minute outside bar. Take the break to the upside, to the long side. It's literally that simple. It's pretty simple. I know it should be harder, but it's not. All right, can we get that break down here? I ended up adding into this trade, looking for the gap fill. Does it happen before Tokyo or when Tokyo opens? Do not know. Hey, you were also talking about a Monday strategy that you're backtesting with the break of the ORB. What was that? Crazy trader. Yep, it's so basically what I look for is during Monday. Now I'll be honest with you, crazy trader. It's 100% this year, 100% with my parameters. I don't really want to tell you what my parameters are, so you can try to backtest, figure it out yourself. But here it is. All I do: Monday open, ES. I look for if the first 5-minute candle with ES is red, I go short. If the first 5-minute ES candle is green, I go long. That is it. That is it. Don't really want to give my parameters on it, but that's all I do on Mondays. And it is 100% win rate, profitable. And it is right around I'll just give you a hint. It's right around a 1R. Right around a 1R. It might even be a little bit negative RR. That's it. Crazy, right? 100%. Monday, New York open only. Yep. You guys can decipher that. Now, the reason why I say it's crazy because it's 100% win rate right now since the beginning of the year. Or I would say beginning of the year. Actually, since December, early December. It's going to lose eventually. Where's my entry? It literally buying it. When as soon as the candle, the 5-minute candle closes, if it's red, I sell short. If it's green, I go long. That's it. As soon as it closes. 5-minute chart. Yeah, 5-minute ES. Yep. Hey, Bella, what's up? Yeah, New York session. Yep. Yep. All right. CL didn't want, I mean, I added into this trade. I've been trying to manage this trade like crazy. Currently back. Still green, but. So I went short down here thinking we'd fill the gap. Obviously, that did not work. Pushed back up. I sold a little more. Ended up covering a little bit down here. Sold a little more up here. Covered down here. Covered some more down here. And our average entry right now is, and then added some more down here. Average entry is 114.24. Currently up a whopping $57. If this trade actually goes down and fills the gap, I'll be up $500-600. So that's where we get going. Where do you put your stop, Gavin boy? I can't tell you. That's part of the bracket. I can't tell you. It is a secret sauce, but like, I mean, that's if you go and do some back testing and do some homework, you might be able to figure something out. But I'm really being honest with you guys. It's 100% win rate this year. It's crazy. Now, here's the tricky part. Like, can you only trade it once a week? Or take an account and trade once a week? I can't. I struggle with that for sure. You know, only on NQ, not on ES. No, it's ES. Yeah, that's an ES trade. Crazy trader. ES, 5-minute ES. This is why, see, notice all my my charts are in gray and white and the inside bars, but then I have this ES chart right here that's green and red, and it's for that. And see right here, this bracket says Monday 5-minute. I'm not lying. I trade this trade, and yeah, I just take whatever, make a couple $100 usually. But yeah, it's kind of crazy. How many points we can take profit? Yeah, exactly. Doesn't work on NQ. I don't know. I don't think so. I haven't. I would actually. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I mean, I backtest NQ like crazy. I don't think I found anything like that. ES it's money right now. I mean, it literally the last, I would say 30 of trades, it's 100% win rate. And it makes money too. Like, even if you lose on it, you're not gonna like wipe out your account or anything. That's the nice thing. So even if it loses, say tomorrow, I mean, at that point it's still 90-something%, and it's a good RR. But yeah, I'll just like I said, guys, I'm not gonna give you the parameters. You can figure out something, maybe how to trade it or whatever. But it's Monday morning, New York time, ES. So Monday only, ES, 5-minute chart. If it's red, I go short. If it's green, I go long as soon as the candle closes. And for some reason, you do a test on it every single, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, it doesn't work whatsoever. Matter of fact, you could probably inverse it and take the opposite on some like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. So like, let's just say the market opens up ES and it's a red. So the first 5-minute candle tomorrow morning is red. I mean, Tuesday, let's just say it's red. You could probably look for a long and take the opposite. Like, that's how bad it works every other day of the week. I just haven't quite been able to figure out how to do that. So I wish I could show you, but it is my secret sauce. And to be honest with you guys, these prop firms are watching for entries now, copy trading entries. So I don't want to get flagged for get my accounts banned because everyone's taking the exact same trade as me. But if you guys figure it out, like different profit targets, stop losses, things like that, someone might be able to find something even better. I don't know. That's the beauty thing. That's the beauty of trading. So I did this big tweet over the weekend, and it got a lot of impressions. And I just basically asked everyone's favorite strategy, which I found interesting because there was so many people trading. Sun's back out. So many different people trade different strategies, and I love that because there's just so many different ways to make money on the prop streets, you know. So I did this giveaway on my X account. If you guys aren't following me on X, please give me a follow at Pine Tree Trader. And basically, I was just asking everyone's favorite strategy. And we had so many different people participating and all these different strategies. And I love it. I mean, it's so cool seeing everyone, how they trade, you know, whether it's ICT or tests and retests and initial balances and inside bars and all kinds of different stuff. Just so many different strategies. Guys, give me a follow on PineTreeTrader.x. I'll put the link in the chat. Appreciate you. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. We're going to do a Take Profit Trader giveaway. Thank you for using code Pine with Take Profit Trader. If you're picking up any accounts. Can you please show how many point ATM strategy? Yeah, Chris, exactly. How low on NASDAQ is getting buy up? Every red candle is getting buy up. Hey, Lost Penny, what's up? Said brackets are secret, then says make a couple hundred on ES, about 1R, do the math. Yeah, you guys figure it out. You can decipher it. I just want to tell you exactly because then people will definitely. And the other thing is too is I know how traders work, and I'm the same way. You could tell me an exact strategy that will actually make money, and I'll still screw it up. I'll still click the button or something, screw it up. I have to mess with it. I have to, what people call it when they're back testing, they call it optimizing. I have to optimize it. What's going on, Nate? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not even on the wrong chart here. Yeah, I was still on CL short here. I've been in this short this whole stream. Not that disappointed either because NASDAQ is getting a little wicky and choppy here. My favorite trade was this ES trade. This is something that I've been looking at too. So a little systematic trading is that I went back and started looking at the two-minute ES chart, and I've been looking at the first inside bar of the session. Now, I think there's something to it if you were to trade a negative R&R trade, not necessarily looking for a 1R or anything like that, but hitting a high win rate with negative R&R. So maybe looking for a couple $100 on that as well. And that works about every single day. I haven't quite figured it out how to do it yet. So that's something I've been working on. I actually was, sitting on the couch over the weekend, and before my tooth fell out. If you guys are just joining my stream, my tooth fell out while I was trying to floss. It was a crown, but the crown literally, I went to use the floss, and when I pulled the floss out, the crown just fell out. So I had to go to an emergency dentist yesterday, and that's how I spent my day. How fun. Now it feels great though. So A+ on that dentist. Even though it said it was going to be a 50-50 shot whether I needed a root canal. So A+. I'm going to have to give it 5 stars on Yelp. Typical Mainer, Miss K. Typical Mainer. I don't have all my teeth. Right? Teddy Graham in the house. Hell yeah, Dennis. Yeah. Do we have any dentists in the house? Do we have any dentists? You never know. Sometimes we got some dentists. Bill Snick, I think every strategy works. Depends on what you do. It's more important. 100. I could not agree with you more, Bill Snick. Exactly. Every strategy will work. Probably. You just have to find something that fits your trading style and that you are confident enough to take and use proper risk management, and it can work. I got a 30-minute ORB, fade the 5-minute break to lower upper. Depends on what broke first, and the break reverse and hold. It's been fire lately. Let's go, pops and drops. Love it. I need a dentist. Where is he? We always need dentists. We need more dentists. Guys, stop being a trader and become a dentist. Yeah, like don't trade right now. Trade in New York. Oh, yeah. For sure. I mean, I like trading New York better than this time. Although I've been doing pretty well. I can say I go through streaks on stream. Absolutely. I go through streaks and it's probably market conditions and where I trade horribly, but lately I've been trading pretty well. I agree. 90% mental, so it's not strategy, psychology. It is. Yeah. It's just so psychology and the trading edge that you have. So you got to find something that can help you mentally. So for me, like I like a little bit of a higher win rate. I've noticed that about myself. I like a little bit of a higher win rate. I like to win a lot. I'm someone that can't be patient. I like to win quickly too. So I like to scalp. And sitting through a trade like this is definitely not ideal for me. Luckily, I'm streaming and distracted a bit, so. Any alternative to TBT if I won? Not tonight, Marco. Yeah, not tonight because I have to send out a big email to TPT for some giveaway winners on my X account, so I want to do it all at once. Yeah, but stay tuned. Later this week, if we get over 7,000 subs, I'll do some more giveaways. I do have some Lucid accounts I can give away later in this week. So yeah, it's TPT tonight, so please make sure you qualify for Take Profit Trader. But yeah, no problem, Marco. Appreciate you hanging out. I do have some Lucid accounts that has nothing to do with this crate thing. I don't know what the crate thing is, but right now it's I'm hearing that the crate thing is a little glitchy and some problems with it, which $113.90. TBT is the GOAT, TJP. I love TBT. You guys know that. Daily payouts. Even though I think that as far as when it comes to daily payout stuff, TPT, it's my favorite. Now, trade day is right up there with that end of day, and so is and now we have Tradeify and also My Funded Futures with the daily payout stuff. So a lot of competition in the daily payout space, but I still like Take Profit Trader. Now, some of the downfalls of Take Profit Trader is speed. So you're not going to get your accounts instantly, like you would with Tradeify or not Tradeify, My Funded Futures, Rapids. You have to trade the evals for 5 days. That's a little bit of pain in the ass. But as far as having 5 accounts, anything over on a 50K account, getting anything over $2,000 and withdrawing it into your wallet, your virtual wallet. So whether or not even if you make $20, you can take it out that day or later that night after the market closes. And that, to me, that is golden. And also they have that $10,000 cap on each. So if you have 5 Take Profit Trader Pro accounts and you in one single day happen to hit a nice winner, which is possible because I've done it, and you make $10,000 on those accounts, that's $50,000 you can make in one day. So I still think they're the best daily payout account. Everyone has their pros and cons for sure, but don't trade until after you make the request. So, all right, so let's just say you get a daily payout today, right? So you get a daily payout today, you qualify, you don't trade the account, right? So say you're over $2,000 on the pro account and you made $500. Don't trade that account. Wait till tomorrow night. So during this stream, tomorrow night, the dashboard updates. Then you can request, and usually before the end of stream. So I stream every single night, 6 p.m. or 5:45 p.m., but 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. for that 2 hours, it will actually update, and you should have your payout before the stream ends usually, and then you can trade, or just maybe a little bit after, an hour or two, 2 hours. That's the way it's been going. It used to be you had to wait like 12 hours to get your payout after the dashboard updated. So much better improvements. We like that. Exclamation point Pine. I forgot we were doing a giveaway. Yeah, we love Lucid. We love Lucid, but as far as daily payouts, can't beat that. Wish they had an end-of-day option on funded LV. Yeah, so if you're insistent on end-of-day options, Tradeify and Trade Day. So Trade Day works very similar to Take Profit Trader. For the longest time, Trade Day was probably the biggest competitor to Take Profit Trader, but they have the end-of-day accounts and the static accounts. I just passed 3 50K Trade Day accounts, but they are slow. They're slower than Take Profit Trader, to be honest with you. But they're still goated. I mean, they will pay you, no questions. They'll pay you money in the bank. End of day accounts. I just passed 3 50Ks Trade Days. Pine with a capital P. If you would like to help support this channel, if you're trading Trade Day, Pine with a capital P. Matter of fact, I'm going to take a look at my Trade Day account right now to see if I did pass them. I don't know what is going on. Maybe I need to make like $1 more or something. I don't know. What is happening here? Here, while I'm signing into Trade Day, take a look here. If you guys never traded with Trade Day, they are legit. They've been around since 2022 or 3 or something like that. I don't know. People don't talk about them enough, but here they are. End of day accounts. $122.50 all-in costs. No activation fee. Pine with a capital P. Static accounts. Here's the static accounts. Now, static accounts, not great as far as drawdown is concerned. So 150K, you start with $1,000 of static drawdown, which isn't bad. But I prefer the end of days myself. The 50K end of days. The 150Ks are tough to pass because there's 40% consistency on the evals. So they are tough to pass. I have done them and passed them a bunch when I did the trade day affiliate competition. I passed a bunch, but I prefer the 50Ks on trade day myself. But let me check on my accounts to see what's up with those. All right, come on. We're going to do a giveaway here in about 15 minutes. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Appreciate everyone hanging out here tonight. I got a 50K Take Profit Trader account we can give away. Apparently, I got to make a little bit more money. Well, that's why. So that's what I got to do tomorrow. I actually didn't have them pass. I got to make $30 more. How hard could it be? I'm 99.52% passed. Yeah, I got to make a little bit of money. No wonder. So that'll be in my project later. What do you think? Think CL gets pushed back down into this zone and fill this gap during Tokyo? I think so. Maybe it rips up higher, but $300 on 5 Lucid Directs. Done for Monday. Have a good night. Hey, Turdy Turd Boy. Love that. $300 base hit. That's all I did. Trade day used to be 7 days to pass. Yeah, I remember that. That was crazy. 7 days. Thankfully for competition, that is no longer, Fred. So I think that with Take Profit Trader being 5 days, you know what I think that would make Take Profit Trader even better is if they just went 50% consistency on the eval and then not had the 5 days, but like just had like if you hit the profit target, you're 50%. That way you don't have to flip for 3 days. Because that's what everyone does, is they just flip for 3 days. $254 likes. Let's go. Thank you, guys. Yeah, we'll do a giveaway here in about 10 minutes. Give it away 50K Take Profit Trader. I need to win today to pay my rent. That wolf. Uh-oh. It would be too good if they did that. I know. It would be great. Lee Coach, you're looking for one more day to pass the eval. Let's go. How's everyone else doing tonight trading? I mean, I'm up a little bit. I mean, it's been up and down. I'm up $42, but I'm hoping for a big win here. You guys getting any trading in or stop loss? What stop loss? Yeah, I've been managing this Beatrice. I mean, I've been trying to manage it with micros. So yeah, risking a little bit. You're right. Trying to just see what I can do with this eval here. Taking it easy, just watching. Guys chilling. I had my this is bad, but I had some carrot cake today. It was delicious. Pine, do I know about Tradeify? What's up with Tradeify? Yeah, I trade them. Micro scalping? You talking about that? That's been in place. Lucid's the same way. Micro scalping rule. Yeah, 50% of your trades for what's considered micro scalping with my funded futures? I mean, my funded futures. 50% of your gross profits come from trades longer than 10 seconds. So 50% of your trades have to be more than 10 seconds. That's what they consider micro scalping. That's with Take Profit Trader. I mean Tradeify. Yep. Yeah, that's nothing new. That's been there. That's been there forever. I know. I see someone complaining about it on X. You got one person on there making a big stink about it now. That they got. But yeah, there's nothing new. And the same person said that's where Lucid excels. Lucid actually has a micro scalping rule too. Let me pull that up just to make sure. I don't want anyone to. But yeah, they have a micro scalping rule as well. So much fun on the X. It's crazy. All right, we're going to get ready to do a giveaway here in about 5 minutes. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Yeah, My Fun Futures got rid of it. They used to have one. What's the micro scalping for? Yeah, it is. Let me see if I can find it. I think it's the same. It's actually less. Lucid is 50% of your profits are generated from trades for 5 seconds or less. That's what they consider micro scalping. So it's actually, here it is right here. More than 50% of your profits are generated from trades held for 5 seconds or less. So it's actually less than Tradeify. Tradeify is 10 seconds. But you're talking 50% of your trades. So all your trades, your gross profits. So don't really. Here's the thing, guys. Like, if you're a micro scalper and you're just looking for a tick or two, okay, then it might have something to worry about it. But when you're generally trading, I don't want that to get in anyone's head, because that will get in your head. Just trade. Don't worry about that. Just trade. You'll be amazed. Most of your trades are probably over 5 seconds or 10 seconds. So just trade. Because I know that can get in your head when you're in a trade. You'd be like, oh, I don't want to get in. I gotta. Oh man, I just had that trade, or I'm holding on to a trade, making sure I get over 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Like, don't worry about it. Just trade. You'll be amazed. Most of your trades, I guarantee, you're probably over. Unless you're acting like a bot. Right up to my entry here. This is ridiculous. Yeah, I know, like, sometimes when you see rules like that, especially when you're a newer trader, that it can actually get into your head while you're trading and mess you up mentally. I've been there. When I got in trouble accidentally doing a wash sale once on my personal account, like, it got in my head big time. Like, I just was paranoid on making sure I didn't have 2 orders on or something like that by mistake, and it was in my head forever. And I remember when you guys said My Funded Futures used to have that rule. I remember when My Funded Futures. Oh, thank you, Keegan. 5 seconds with Lucid, 10 with Tradeify. Thank you. Yeah, I remember when My Funded Futures had that scalping rule. I was paranoid when I was, newer trader. I'd be like, oh, I'm like trying to hold on to the trade, make sure, because some of them were even longer. Some of them were. There was a few I don't know which prop firm it was, but they had a rule of like a minute or more or something crazy. And Lucid was mocking them over it. Like, yeah, you had to hold a trade for a minute or more. I mean, that's crazy. I got a Tradeify growth account. I want to know if the day I bought it, do I have to trade day to pass in one day? Or can I trade it in it? Oh, yeah. Extraordinary trade. You can trade it any day. Yeah, you can trade it any day. Oh, thank you, Bori. Appreciate that. Do an average 1,000 trades per day. Never got flagged from micro scalping. Yeah, exactly, Coach Fred. It's time-based now, so. Alpha's 2 minutes and more. Oh, wow. 2 minutes? Yeah, so for me, that probably wouldn't work. Maybe. I don't know. All right, CL pumping up higher. Let's do a giveaway. How about that? I'm over this trade already. Exclamation point pine in the chat. Give you guys just a few seconds. Holy cow, we got a lot of all right, we're gonna do a shotgun. Exclamation point pine in the chat. We're doing a shotgun. We had, guys, I had almost 500 people in the giveaway, so we're gonna do a shotgun. Exclamation point pine in the chat. If you enter in again, I'll give you guys just a few minutes. There was way too many people. That I know. We have 200 people watching. I know people use their alt accounts. I get it, but almost 500. That's nah. Exclamation point pine. This is for a 50K take profit trader account. Give you guys 3 minutes. Here's the countdown. Right here. Give you guys 3 minutes. 1 minute has gone by. We got 200 something people watching, so. Smash that like button too. And I appreciate you guys using code PINE. That's how I get these codes to give away. Plus you help and support the channel. I really appreciate that as well. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We will be back doing it again tomorrow night. And also, My Funded Futures TV, I'll be on tomorrow at 10 a.m. Love for you guys to stop by then. If I could get 200 people that watch me at night, 200 to 300 is usually where we're at. If I can get all you guys to come in the morning at 10 a.m. to help support me over there, that'd be awesome too. So I pretty much do the exact same stream, except I'm trading My Funded Futures accounts because I have to, and sling some contracts. Been doing pretty well trading in that 30-minute block, getting in some nice trades. So that'd be awesome if you guys can come hang out then too. All right, right back to my entry, guys. This is annoying me. I thought for sure I ended up adding down here. I thought for sure we'd push down and attempt to fill this gap. Now I'm a little nervous because we have Tokyo Open coming up. 30 seconds, guys, on the giveaway. 30 seconds. Then I'm closing it. And then, let's see. Moose raise. Online stopwatch. Oops. I guess we'll do we're gonna do an Easter Bunny race. Easter Bunny race. All right. So let me see here. Okay, closing entries. Good luck. There's plenty of time to get them in. That's a little more like it. 267. That's not bad. We know there's some alt accounts in there. I get it. I know. I do the same. Here we go. 267 people. Good luck. Good luck. 420 alt accounts. Yeah. All right. Let me set this. Pause the music. And shuffle characters. All right, guys. Good luck. Good luck to you. Ready, set, go. This is for our 50K Take Profit Trader account. Oh, the cute little bunnies. The moose hat. I know we're not doing the moose race. I needed a. Oh, I should have got some bunny ears. Then if I would have got some bunny ears, then Methodical Man would have got too excited. So if I would have had the bunny ears on. All right, Black Cat. This is really hard to see the names, but trust me, there's 267 people in the race. Anyone, completely random. This is anyone's race here. I see Black Cat. I see Fuffy. I almost said Fuffy. We got Bales Flow up in here. Fortified in the house. Who's it going to be? Scalp Million. Let's go. Come on. Who's it going to be? Oh, 1 second left. Oh, out of nowhere. Josh Allen. Josh Allen. Congratulations. Wow. Who finished last place? Trader Oz in second. So close. Let's take a look. Who finished last? Michael P. finished last. Congrats, Josh Allen. Oh, let's go. Josh Allen in the house. Regular listener. I like to see that. Congratulations. We will do more giveaways this week, guys. Appreciate you. Tokyo Open here in 10 minutes. Josh Allen, are you in the Discord by chance? Let's turn the music back on. Do the gunshot? I did. Adam Daz, I did the gunshot, the shotgun. Yeah, we had almost 500 people in there, but now we got 300 or 200 something people watching, so. Yeah, I'm in there. What's your name in the Discord, Josh? I'll send you a DM. Suffering Succotash. Maker. Yeah, appreciate everyone hanging out. Trader J. Okay, cool. Right there. Wow, Josh, you won before. Congratulations. 2-time winner. Won back in August. Congratulations, Josh. That's some good luck there. Yeah, you won before back in August, so I already actually have your email, so that makes it super easy. Yeah, way back in August. Congratulations. If anyone wants to join the Discord, I'll put the link in the chat. That's pretty much going to do it for me. I don't know. I'm already sick of this trade here. I'm going to put the link in the chat. Let me make sure I'm putting in the right Discord link. I don't want to give the back office My Funded Futures link again. That was not cool. There's the Discord link, guys. Cheater, it's rigged. Oh, 100%, right. He rigged it. The bunny, he gave it some peptides. Yeah, I use a website called Online Stopwatch right here. This is the website I use. So it's got all these races. And it's all random, right? So it's all random. These are the holiday ones, but it's got all kinds of different themes and stuff, and that's why we do the moose races. They actually, I noticed they've been adding some more different ones, so it's fun. It's basically just a random number generator. We do that instead of the wheel and stuff. People can cheat on the wheel with the wheel. I know they can. All right, guys. Yeah, that's going to do it for me. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my Easter Sunday, right? Just going to hang out. I'm going to eat some food. Probably, yeah, just I don't know. But I just want to wish everyone a nice holiday, if that's your thing. Enjoy the rest of it, and stay safe tomorrow. Use code PINE, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning on My Funded Futures TV. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow night at 5:45 Eastern time, right here, same place. We'll do it again. Currently down $68 unrealized. I don't even know. I'm just gonna close this trade out. I just live to fight another day, right? $81 is nothing when it comes to New York time, or maybe even a little bit later when I'm sitting on the couch. We'll see. But thank you guys for using code PINE, and I'll see you tomorrow. Later, guys.
Bars only.
Take care. Bye.
Let's work.
I'm trading in the pies, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah, they fund the dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk of fine, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah, we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Wake up pre-market, NY session on. Levels from the overnight, buyers ready drawn. Inside bar forming, volume going quiet. That's the market talking, telling me be patient. NQ moving fast, ES play it smooth. YM respect the highs, let the candle choose. Prop firm rules, yeah, we play it right. One trade a day, still we done by noon. No gambling, this chestnut dice. RR clean, that's the pine tree life. They chasing candles, I'm chilling in the zone, waiting on the break, then I'm gone. I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah, they fund the dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk to find, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah, we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Yeah, funded to live, that's a different feel. Trade, they take profit, Apex